audience. Come on, folks. Let me know. Let me feel the love. Let me hear the noise. Are you ready to rock? Say yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's go. Here we go. Get a bit of groove going on in here. Let's get a little bit of atmosphere. Here we go. Come on, everybody, clap it. Oh yeah. Ooh, it's like magic, only it's not stupid. Now this is a song, a little louder, build it up. Okay, here we go, louder, come on. And I'm ready, okay. Now I'll take a little run up, I put 1 foot here, I put 1 foot here, I put this here, I put this here. Let's start again. Hey, do you think I can do this? Say yeah. Yeah. Okay, anybody don't think I can do this? Say yeah. Okay. Anybody don't care? You just hope there's an accident and an ambulance. Say yeah. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Oops. My belt is in the way. So good. All right. Everybody, please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice and loud. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1, go!
A little bit of dust. Shut up! It's really scary. No, I know that you want to clap. You can clap now. Thank you, Scoopy. Okay, now, my lovely assistant. Item number 1, the music. Wonderful. Please, give her a big round of applause. Wonderful. Now, once I had the guitar, I cannot hold the music, but it's okay. I planned ahead. I'm not an idiot. Can I have number 2, super play? Wonderful, please. Big round of applause. Can you see what it is yet? Just whoa. Ow. Ow. Oh, okay, hey, wait, everybody. Oh, peekaboo, hi. Okay, where's the music? Where'd you put it? Is it somewhere? Where is it? What's going on? Where? Oh, there it is. There it is. Yeah, wow, unbelievable. I don't believe this. I'm being lapped by my own show. Boy, if this goes any faster, I'm going to take off like a helicopter. Boy, I feel dizzy. I think I'm going to be sick on this kid. Okay, my lovely final test. Now, whatever you do, don't throw it like the crazy lady yesterday, okay? Just hand it to me. That's wonderful. I have it. Stop. Face the audience. Smile. Take a bow. And they will give you the biggest round of applause from the whole show. Give it a big round of applause for the lovely assistant. Thank you. You can get out of here. Beautiful. Thanks so much. All right, here we go. Let's rock the house. I just put this on. And, problem. Okay, I'll be honest. I didn't really think this through very good. It's okay, though. I'll lasso it cowboy style. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I got it. Yeah.
pálida con la dulcita atrás, renunciación. Cuando es milagro realiza con inclinación, hay campana de fiesta que canta en el corazón, en el corazón, en el corazón. Estás más a mi lado, corazón, y en el alma solo tengo soledad. Si ya no puedo verte, después de quererte, siempre sufrí más. Siempre fuiste la razón de mi existir, que para mí yo. Y en tus besos encontraba el calor que me brindaba, el amor y la pasión. Es la historia de un amor que no le tregua, me hizo comprender todo el bien, todo el mal. Luz de mi vida, apagándola después. Ay, qué vida tan oscura, sin tu amor no viviré. Ya no estás más a mi lado, corazón, el alma solo tengo soledad. Si ya no puedo verte, quismes quererte, hacerme sufrir más. De un amor como el que me hizo comprender todo el bien, todo el mal. Es mi vida, apagándolo después. Ay, qué vida tan oscura, sin tu amor no viviré. Ya no estás más a mi lado, corazón, el alma solo tengo soledad. Ya no puede verte, que después quererte, haciendo sufrir más.